then in a class we'll have a colloquium. And for the next class, repeat the palpation of pulse on radio arteries once again. So about heart auscultation, come here. Once again, 5 points. The first point is apex beat. So we must palpate the apex beat, we must find it, and we put our stethoscope at the apex beat and listen to the tones. Then this will be the mitral valve. The first heart tone is louder than the second. Then we find the second intercostal space. The edge of the sternum, not by parasternal or midclavicular line, at the edge of the sternum. Put here, listen. This is aortic valve. The second is louder than the first. Then the same point at the left. This is pulmonary artery. The second tone is louder than the first. Then you find the xiphoidus processus. Put here. You listen the tricuspid valve. The first tone is louder than the second. And then Botkin-Erbas point here. The third and the fourth intercostal spaces at the edge of the sternum, left edge. This is additional point of aortic valve auscultation. In this case, the tones are equal in this patient. So, and how to differentiate the first tone and the second tone? We put our stethoscope in the auscultation point and palpate the carotid arteries. And the tone, when you hear the tone with pulsation of carotid arteries, this will be the first tone. Simultaneously, the tone with pulsation, this is the first tone. If not simultaneously, the second. Everything is clear?
Yes.
So, once again, the next class, once again, heart perfusion, heart auscultation.